Hello, my dear students and friends. This is Natasha. I'm the piano teacher from St. Petersburg, Russia. I currently live in Sydney and I teach children to play piano in Sydney. Many people ask me, how do I make young children progress on the piano so fast? And how do I make them play so well in a short period of time? I have created my own method and I also use other different material that I have used in the last 20 years to make the young children progress so fast. Many people ask me to record the course and share how do I actually do it, and I have finally recorded the course, and you're welcome to have a look at the details in the description. In this course I share all my material, all my knowledge and all my experience with you. In this course, I'll show you step by step how I teach and develop inspired pianists from a very young age, using the same proven techniques and methods I have used with my students for many years. You will also have the access to my lessons material, the full structure of each lesson and the homework. You will learn to play famous songs, read the music notation, understand music theory, and practice technical exercises that will make your fingers strong and confident. My lessons combine the classical Russian school of piano with the Australian easygoing and relaxed approach, so learning feels natural and enjoyable. This course is perfect for inspired mothers who want to teach their children but don't know how to start, what material to use or how to structure the lesson and practice. With my detailed guidance and step-by-step explanations, you will feel confident teaching your child this amazing lifelong skill and helping them develop a true love for music. It's also great for adults who always dreamed of playing piano but never had a chance. And for all the beginners, piano playing is a wonderful way to keep the mind sharp and active. Studies show that the pianist's brain works differently. When we play piano, we connect the left and right sides of the brain, sing fast, we move both hands and 10 fingers at once, press pedals with our feet, read music like the foreign language, memorize and perform pages of complex material, and express emotions, all at the same time. Pianists are truly unique and intelligent people. And who knows, this course might even open up a new earning opportunity for you. You could share your knowledge with others and become a piano teacher yourself, especially if you live in an area where piano teachers are hard to find. So join me today, subscribe to my course, and let's begin this beautiful musical journey together.